Hello folks, welcome back to RC Cars UK, Paddy with you here again, and we're just taking a quick look today at a Bitzer build. It's made with bits of this and bits of that. Basically, this is for sale on eBay. It was originally bought for to build for a family member, but they decided they don't want it. I don't like 10 scales. I'm going to put the money towards a set of 6 scale axles for my partner. Basically this is now up for sale. So basically it's got alloy axles up front. You'll notice here though that it has been thrown together. The rails themselves have had to be chopped in half because the wheelbase is all thingy. The links are a little bit janky, but you know, it's not too bad. It just needs some work. It needs some smaller tires really as well. It needs some more scale looking tires possibly. Would make a great project for somebody. I just don't have the time to part it out or anything now, and I was getting lowballed on the parts when I tried to part it out. So basically what I'm going to do is I've built it all up now and somebody else can take it on. It'll come with a brand new Traxxas XL5 ESC, a brand new 35 kilogram servo that's been installed in there as well. Basically it just needs a bit of work and tarting up and stuff. Temp scale is just not for me. I mean, they look nice, there's alloy drive shafts with it and everything. There's even a little lipo. So yeah, I'll put the link for the eBay description, and thanks very much for coming and checking out the video today. It's got lots of good bits on that truck, but you know, I wouldn't really want to sell it to a friend to run off the bat. It needs work and stuff like that. But anyway, there we go. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks for checking us out. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on your way out the door. Thanks guys, see you soon.